Hi guys, I got an unboxing for you today. This is the Hsp Verdikt 1 to 8 scale. Looks pretty much like the AXIAL YETI. It's this one inside the box, red and black. It's the brushless version. You can get it in brushed and brushless. And it says it has waterproof electronics. First we got some stickers. And we have the instruction manual. And I don't know what this is. I'll find out that later. We got the truck and the controller. Takes 4 AA batteries, and we got a LiPo charger, and I'm gonna take off the body and have a look. Okay, here we are. As you can see, pretty much the same as the AXIAL YETI. We have the speed controller, ESC. Says waterproof on that one. The brushless motor. And a 2S LiPo. 2S LiPo is 30C and 3500 milliamps. Oil-filled shocks. Looks pretty good. Should have a waterproof servo also. So I'm gonna have to try this outside later and have a go. Looks very good, so I hope it's pretty fast too. Here you have the body again. Looks pretty cool. On the box you can see you have a spare tire at the rear, but there is no spare tire coming with this on, so I think you have to get that yourself. And maybe this is a stand for a spare wheel, maybe, I don't know. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.